Hi everyone, I am Pallavi DK from First MBA. Now I am going to explain the concept of BPR, Business Process Reengineering. Let's see what are all the topics going to cover in this session. Firstly, we are going to know about the meaning of business process reengineering and why business process is necessary and what are the steps in business process and know the role of information technology in business process, and then finally know the problems. First, we know about the business process. A business process is a set of logically related tasks or activities oriented towards achieving a specific outcomes. So every organization itself oriented towards a particular outcome, and a target oriented like their activities, objectives, rules or procedures. And also a business process is a logically related task. They are involved a number of steps which are performed by different people in a different departments. Like for example, fulfilling an order is a process. It starts with taking a order from the customers, then the production departments produce the things, then packing departments packaging things, and advertising department advertise the things, and marketing departments market the things, and distribution departments distribute the things, and sales departments sales the things. In this way whole process completed. So in this way whole process completed, starting from receiving an order from customers to fulfillment of customer satisfaction. This is business process. Next, we are knowing about the business process reengineering. Business process reengineering refers to the analysis and redesign of workflow and process both within and between organization. It means redesign over all the rules and regulation in all the departments. Then it is a radical redesigning process. It means it is not a small improvement or any other modification. It's a fully reinvention of business process. Next, why we need business process re-engineering. Mainly competition. In this innovative world competition is very high, so we have to need a BPR in every organization. Then technology, we need improved version of technology for the innovative and upgraded product to fulfill the customer needs and satisfaction. So finally, customers. Customers are the main targets of every organization, so fulfill their needs and satisfaction is the main goal of the every organization. And also survive in this organization for the longer period is one of the main goal of the every organization. So we need business process re-engineering. Then what are the steps in business process re-engineering? First one, determining objectives. We have to set a target. Setting a target, we have to identify a core process we need in be- re-engineering. Then identify customers and determine their needs. It's very important to identify our customers and also understand their needs and wants, like what type of product they need, and what are all the steps we have to take to fulfill our customer needs. Then study existing process. It means we have to make a blueprint of the our process and also study the process will work or not, it will fulfill the customer needs or not. Next, we formulate a redesign plan. Redesign means we have a variety of alternatives and select the best alternatives. Then finally we have to implement our redesign process. It means we have to execute our process to achieve a target and also fulfill the needs. Then move to role of information technology in business process re-engineering. First one, compression of time. Compression of time means reduce the time to require the process and also reduce the efforts. Next, restructuring of relationships. It means restructuring the relationship with customers, employees and suppliers, etc. Then information technology relates to effectiveness, efficiency and innovation. Effectiveness means to do the right things. Efficiency means to do the things right. It helps to information technology to improve the process by having a effectiveness to improved advanced process and also efficiency by reducing the wastage and optimal utilization of resources. And finally, innovation by developing a new product and services to satisfy our customers. And we move to problems from BPR. BPR is very challenging because first one is challenge. In every organization is a very challenging task to bring a changes on a such massive scale, because to bring a change in all the departments, it's a very challenging. And also bring a changes in all the departments, it need a time, money and efforts. Of course, in order to bring a change on a such massive scale requires planning, controlling, it's require a lot of money and also efforts. Then setting a target is very difficult, because to set the objectives or targets to identify the process and also analyze the customer needs and wants, so it's very challenging and also require time, money and efforts. And also setting a targets these are all the problems. So finally, reference, this is the website. We go through this, we can get a more in detailed information about business process re-engineering. Thank you.